Yueqing Haidie Electric Company Limited was founded in 2013. It is located in Wenzhou, Zhejiang Province, with beautiful environment and convenient transportation. We specialize sales in auto connector terminal. We are committed to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, and our experienced staff are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure complete customer satisfaction. The company has strong technical force, with experienced software and hardware engineers, professional product development designers. The company has a marketing team and domestic regional channel partners for product marketing and product after-sales service. There is a perfect management plan, a strong sales network, professional R&D personnel, sales service concept, so that our products at home and abroad are well known and market share. At the same time, we will, as always, in accordance with the reputation first, customer first principle, always put the interests of customers in the first place, dedicated to provide every customer with quality products and services. We have a customs certificate. We are in line with the spirit of big enterprises to build a brand, adhere to the steady, long-term business development. At the same time, with abundant human resources, strict production management, and business philosophy, through the accumulation of experience and unremitting pursuit of the future and improve. Keep up with the trend to provide you with high quality, competitive prices, more fashionable products. Welcome friends from all walks of life to visit, guidance, and business negotiation.